DIY your network cable. UGREEN Network Connector offers RJ45 crimp connectors for Cat6, Cat5e and Cat5 network cables. This network connector is perfect for building custom-length network cables and easily connected for personal use. Faster data transfer. These Cat6 RJ45 plugs achieve better data transmitting and support up to 1000 megabits per second speed. Crimp-style plugs terminates the solid or stranded cable with a 3-point staggered contact to provide a secure connection. Stable network connection. With AP8C gold-plated contacts, UGREEN RJ45 connectors ensure more stable data transfer and provide a longer lifespan. Clear impact-resistant polycarbonate housing allows visual verification of cable termination. Widely compatibility. These universal RJ45 ends for Cat6 connector, Cat5e connector and Cat5 connector are suitable for general RJ45 crimp tool and Ethernet cables. What you get: cost-effective 50-pack of Cat6 connectors provides enough connectors for a large project or multiple small jobs. Construct multiple patch cables in the perfect length for the router, patch panel, or workstation applications with this crimp connector. Top review from the United States. Worked with Cat6 cable just fine.